Hey everybody, Jim Delo of AM 1230 WJOB. I just returned from a news conference at Community Hospital in Munster, Indiana, where the world, it seemed, came down to look at what is the first MERS case in America. CEO Don Fesco went through a whole bunch of details about the case and how it came about and how it was first diagnosed at Community Hospital. Evidently, the patient, who is yet to be identified and is from Saudi Arabia, it's not an American, he flew from Riyadh to Chicago, took a bus from Chicago to a local home, and then went to the emergency room at Community Hospital. Here's CEO Don Fesco.
The patient remains in good condition, and we are maintaining appropriate isolation protocols for the protection of patients and staff. Community Hospital recognized the possibility of the MERS-CoV infection and acted quickly to institute standard protocols to contain the standard and possible spread of the virus.
In total, there's about 50 employees of Community Hospital who are right now on home isolation. Evidently, you got to wait about 2 weeks, make sure nobody has some symptoms. So we've got 50 people around the region that are having to stay home for a little while. Also there was Dr. Daniel Feiken of CDC. He had this to say.
Our activities to date have focused on doing investigations of the close contacts of the patient, both here in the hospital and at the home, and to monitor them for illness. We've also provided guidance on the collection and testing of samples for MERS-CoV, and we've conducted investigations of travelers on the airline and the bus that the patient traveled on before he arrived here.
Dr. Daniel Feiken reports that about 100 people were on the flight with this unidentified patient and about 10 people on a bus that came back to the region. Governor Mike Pence was also there, and he pledged some heavy support from the governor's office.
Hoosiers will be glad to know that the collaboration between local, state, and federal health officials in this matter, in my judgment, has been exceptional. And I believe it's played a key role in the efficient and effective response that you hear reported today. But none deserve more credit than the outstanding physicians and staff here at Munster Community Hospital.
So there it is, everybody. The world came to look at Munster, specifically Community Hospital today, and the hospital did a great job. So there it is. Nobody else other than this unidentified man from Saudi Arabia is reported to have the MERS virus. I'm Jim Delo, AM 1230, WJOB.